What's the meaning of cabaret? Cabaret. Cabaret.
Cabaret. Cabaret. Cabaret refers to a form of entertainment that features a variety of performances such as music, dance, comedy, and drama. The performances are usually held in a small venue, often accompanied by food and drinks. Cabarets have a rich history dating back to the 16th century in France, where they were known for their avant-garde and risqué performances. Today, cabarets continue to thrive in cities around the world, offering audiences a unique and intimate experience. Some famous cabarets include the Moulin Rouge in Paris and the Kit Kat Club in Berlin, which has been featured in the musical Cabaret.